Isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do?
Okay, we're starting out with freshly washed hair. I'm going to show you guys the products that I use. I received this box complimentary from Cream of Nature. I received this box complimentary of Cream of Nature. It has the Styling Shine Foaming Mousse, which I use at the end of the process. And then it also came with the Strengthen Shine Leave-In Conditioner, the Perfect Edge Control Extra Firm Hold, and a packet of this is just the Intense Conditioning Treatment. And I previously already used Cream of Nature shampoo for myself and Camden, so I already had the sulfate free moisture and shine shampoo that goes with the collection, the argan oil collection, and the matching shampoo. So that is what I use to wash my hair. So for the blowout process, after I washed my hair, I went in with the Dark and Lovely Blowout Deep Conditioner. Just to prime and prep my hair. It doesn't weigh your hair down like most conditioners, and as you can see, like if I had a fan, like my hair would literally blow in the wind. So love that. I really love this collection. It retails for about $5.99 to $6.99 per item, which is very affordable because you know I'm the affordable girl. But yeah, this is the Shine and Gloss Serum Balm that I put on my hair once I complete the blowout process. And then it also comes with the Silk Slip Blow Dry Cream. I put this on before blow drying my hair while it's still damp. I mixed it with the Cream of Nature's leave-in conditioner. So I sprayed part of my hair into 4 sections. I sprayed the conditioner on it, and then I put this on it just because I'm going to have a protective style. So I don't want it to be weighed down heavily when I blow dry it, because I want it to be as straight as possible so that I get those crispy, neat boxes that I want. But also for my hair to be moisturized because it's going to be in a protective style. The collection that I was sent also from VoxBox, complimentary of Influencer, Dark and Lovely, and Cream of Nature for their boxes. I received both of these lines of products, and with the Dark and Lovely, it also came with the Smoothing Weightless Wash. This entire line together, amazing. Cream of Nature Argan Oil is like my go-to collection for washing me and Camden's hair, but to do my press outs, my silk presses, this is gold. Get you some. You will not be disappointed. Get you the entire collection. You need the entire collection. Don't just bit and piece it. You need the entire collection. I am missing one of the products. I misplaced it, which is the heat protectant from Dark and Lovely, and I just spray that on my hair right before I run the the flat iron through it, and the hot comb. I do the hot comb around my edges and press out my roots in the front and the nape of my neck, and then I literally only have to do one pass through with the flat iron with this line of products. So yeah, get you some of these. Moving on, we are doing not a silk press today. We are doing the crochet method, as I stated before, and I'm going to do kind of chunky, semi-chunky butterfly locks. And I'm going to do the box method to make the front look like individuals. And I purchased the May Beauty braids. It is their water wave butterfly lock in 14-inch. This is what it looks like. And I purchased 4 packs. I believe it has 24 locks in each pack. It's a 2-time pack, so it's supposed to be the equivalent of 2 packs in one. So I believe that it has 12 locks on each thing. So a total of 24 in each pack. So I got 4 packs for my math isn't mathing right now, but each pack was about $11. I should have went to Tyson. Because I would have got a discount. Are new to my channel. I used to work in a shop and I was a lockologist. I do not have my license, but Tyson don't know that. So I have a cosmetologist account with Tyson, thus I get discounted prices on all items out of there. So I should have went there to get these, but that's not where I was at this morning, and my hairstyle was calling me. I had not washed my hair in about 2 months. So yeah, we decided on, me and my girls, we decided on well, I actually decided, I showed them wigs and then they didn't really give me an answer, so I decided for them, and collectively in my head we agreed on butterfly locks. But nevertheless, I will have a semi bob. I guess it'll be the length it is on her. On me, let's see. You're right. Yeah. They are crochet, so if I want them shorter, I can cut them shorter, but we'll see what she's giving when we finish. Let me go ahead and jump into this. I'm working on my angles for y'all on this whole little shindig. So yeah, y'all will get the best angles that I am capable of right now until we get a better setup and a better camera. But yeah, stay tuned and I hope you learned something.